Welcome back to the shop, folks. I am here to lick my calf over again. I've been trying this little leaf blower out. This is the one that we simply cleaned out the sparkle ruster on. Been blowing a few leaves around the yard and I ain't really happy. A lot of y'all commented and I sure appreciate it. And I think you're right. We need to tweak this thing just a bit. So, let me get some stuff together. We're gonna go over it real quick, and I hope I make it hum a little better. It's got that hesitation when you give it the trigger, and on the top end you hear it sputtering. Let's see if we can't take that out. Do our best to make this thing sing. I ain't no expert, but I think we can do better. So, while I get that together, do yourself a favor. I just found this guy. How I have not seen him before, I don't know, but I like him and I think you will too. Check out Arch's Garage. He definitely has some good stuff and you are gonna want to see it. Sorry to be so aggressive. Hey, links in the description. Let me get this door down. On this blower, we've got the high side adjustment and the low side adjustment. Finally, you've got an idle adjustment right down inside this hole right here. Take a screwdriver and get underneath these limiters and pop them off. I'm gonna start out with my adjustment starting with the high side. I'm gonna run the throttle up all the way and I'm gonna tune that high side in. I'm gonna lean it out until I hear it engine slow down. At that point, I'm gonna bring it back. I'm gonna find where the engine slows down again. I'm gonna be passing a good sounding spot, but we'll come back to it. I'm gonna set my high side first. Then, once I'm happy with that, I'm gonna add an idle, come back and adjust my low side. Same procedure. I'm gonna lean it up to the point that I hear the engine start to drop RPMs. Then I'm gonna take it to the far other side. And then I'm gonna find a nice little spot in the middle there that I'm gonna be happy with. Tell you, make sure you turn the doggone thing on. I have the worst time of remembering to turn a piece of equipment on. Sure that doggone thing's in there. Let's get this low side. Gonna run it in. Hear it drop off. Gonna go the other way. Hear it drop off. I split the difference. I'm still not 100% happy. I don't have the air filter cover for this machine. When he gets here, we'll do a final adjustment on it, but I believe that did help out some. As soon as I get that air filter cover, we'll adjust it for him and send him on out the door. I noticed every time I put my finger up there to hold the air filter a little bit tighter, sure changed the way she was running. I've got it split the difference. May have to go back and forth a couple times between the high side and the low side. But eventually you'll get it. Do I have the best ear for it? No. But I've been getting by. A lot of y'all got a much better ear for that than I do. Hope that clarifies a few things. I'm a little happier with it. I hope when I get that air cover, it'll do more better. Hey, till next time, y'all be safe, be good to one another. And as always, if you can't be good to one another, well, just stay the devil away from one another. We'll see you soon. Hey, let's go.